The banking system is becoming a hostile environment for crypto investors, now actively weaponized against us. Whether you are a CEO of a major Bitcoin company like Jack Mallers, or simply someone who makes regular transactions to crypto exchanges like Coinbase, we are putting our ability to use our money to pay for life necessities like rent, mortgage, utility bills, even food. It's all at risk. Over the past few weeks, crypto investors' bank accounts are being frozen, transfers are being blocked. Relying on the traditional financial system is becoming a liability. It's more important now than ever for us to become unbankable, to end our reliance on these rigid institutions once and for all. And the only way to truly 100% own and have complete control over our digital assets in a secure way, whether that be stablecoins like USDC, tokenized commodities like gold, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more, is by getting a cold storage crypto hardware wallet. And as complicated and scary as it may seem, especially when we hear words like cold storage, private keys, seed phrases, it's actually now easier than ever to set up and use our very own crypto wallet with Tangem Wallet. Everyone in crypto absolutely needs a Tangem wallet. It's the most affordable, easiest crypto hardware wallet to use on the market. Literally anyone can set it up and do any and everything we want in the crypto space. Buy, sell, swap, stake, interact with DeFi or decentralized applications safely and securely, all with the tap of a card to our phones. And now with their latest feature, Tangem Pay, Tangem Wallet finally bridges the gap between sovereign cold storage and everyday real-world spending. This might be the most important tool in our arsenal for financial independence. So let's check it out. Hello, I'm Crypto Casey, and this is the ultimate beginner's guide on setting up and using our very own cold storage hardware wallet with Tangem Wallet, so we can transfer our cryptocurrencies off of exchanges to completely 100% own and control all of our digital assets. Let's hit it. All right, let's check out how fast and easy it is to become our own bank in less than 90 seconds with Tangem Wallet. Opening the box, here we have the 3 Tangem cards. This is their staple design, a sleek matte black design. No batteries, no cables, just an EAL6 Plus secure chip inside. Same high-end security as passports. Tangem also offers the Tangem Ring, the first wearable crypto wallet that is stylish and designed so no one would know or suspect it is actually a crypto wallet. And what's fun about Tangem is they frequently offer cool limited edition designs like this orange Bitcoin design, stealth design featuring 2 completely blank black cards with no information on them so no one would ever suspect it was a cryptocurrency wallet, and a lot of other creative co-branded designs to always be on the lookout for. And for a limited time until December 21st, Tangem is running special discounts and offering a fun holiday box that comes with the Stealth 3-card set, a card holder, a thermos, and a tote bag. So be sure to scroll down and use links below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Sweet. Now let's become unbankable. Installing the correct and official Tangem mobile app on our phones and opening the app, tap, scan, card, or ring, and touch one of the cards to your phone like so. Next, click Create Wallet and tap the card to your phone again. And voila, we have a crypto wallet. Super simple and straightforward. Now that we have a wallet, let's create backups. Note that each card functions exactly the same, so all 3 cards are identical when in use. All right, now tap Add a Card or Ring, then tap Add Backup Card, and tap the second card to your phone. Cool. Now tap Add a Card or Ring again and tap the third card to your phone. Then tap Finalize Backup. And now we need to create an access code to secure the wallets. So tap Create, then enter whatever combination of letters, words, phrases, or numbers you want to use to access your wallet. Re-enter it to verify the access code and tap Scan Card. And use the primary card, the first card you tap to your phone when creating the wallet, ending in the corresponding numbers, holding it to your phone until the operation is complete. Then repeat this process for the other 2 cards by tapping Scan Card, holding the second card to your phone until the operation is complete, then repeat once more with the third card. And that's it. We can add tokens that we have, want, or are interested in here on the screen. Let's tap Bitcoin to add it, then Ethereum, which opens a drop-down where we can choose which network we want to support for Ethereum, like Solana or Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum One, Aurora, Base, etc. We'll choose Ethereum's main native network here. Add Tether, the most popular stablecoin, which also is supported on multiple different blockchain networks. We'll choose Ethereum mainnet again. And let's add Solana's main network. Sweet. Now tap Continue, tap one of the cards to your phone to scan it one final time, and success! Our Tangem wallet is configured and ready for use. We officially have a crypto wallet we can use to 100% completely own and control our digital assets in a secure way without needing banks, exchanges, or any third parties. No bank, exchange, or government can access our funds without our permission because the private keys are generated on the card and never leave it. Excellent. Now let's get familiar with how to use it together. Tap continue to my wallet, and here we are at our brand new crypto wallet dashboard. At the top, we can see our wallet balance. Below that, we have options to buy, swap, and sell crypto. And below that, we have a list of cryptocurrencies we chose to add to our wallet during setup. Amazing. Now let's transfer some cryptocurrencies between an exchange and our Tangem wallet together so we can get more comfortable with the process. Let's move some Bitcoin we have on our Uphold account to hold in our very own cold storage hardware wallet, Tangem. And if you haven't signed up for a free Uphold account yet, it is the most powerful digital asset management platform in the cryptoverse that we all need to be using as crypto investors, because it is way safer than regular crypto exchanges and especially traditional banks. And what's super amazing, especially in the midst of banks messing with crypto investors' accounts, is with Uphold, we can now truly sever our connection from the corrupt, rigged, politicized, and weaponized legacy financial system once and for all by direct depositing our paychecks to Uphold, where we receive 4% back in crypto rewards with XRP. And they just launched their new Uphold debit cards that allows us to use any of the 300 plus digital assets they support to buy anything, anywhere Visa is accepted. Stablecoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, fiat currencies, gold, all while earning crypto rewards every time we spend. This is the next generation of finance. Transparent, on-chain, Web3 keeps all of our cash and crypto backed one-to-one, connected to over 30 underlying exchanges so we get the best possible prices for crypto and way more liquidity when trading. And when we trade our first $100, we get $20 free. It only takes like 60 seconds to sign up for a free account, so scroll down and use the link below to redeem all the special offers they have for us. Brilliant. Now let's transfer our Bitcoin from Uphold to Tangem. Open the Tangem app, tap scan card, scan the card, enter the access code, and from here on the dashboard, tap Bitcoin, then tap receive, and then tap the copy button to copy your Tangem wallet Bitcoin address. Next, open the Uphold app, tap the withdraw button, tap on your Bitcoin account, choose crypto networks. For the withdrawal method, choose Bitcoin network, paste the Tangem Bitcoin wallet address into the field, and tap next. Enter the amount of Bitcoin we want to send. I always recommend sending a small amount as a test, first to make sure everything is good to go. In this case, we are sending $50 worth. Tap preview withdrawal, make sure everything looks good, then tap confirm withdrawal. Read over any notification screens like this one about how to spot scams and fraud. In this case, we are moving funds to our non-custodial wallet. Then tap next. Read over one last caution note that is designed to protect our funds from scams. Then tap continue. Enter the verification code generated by your authenticator app. Tap confirm, and great, the transaction is now processing. After about a minute, when we open our Tangem app, we will see our Bitcoin we now completely own and control in our cold storage non-custodial hardware wallet, Tangem wallet. Repeat this same process for any of the other cryptocurrencies by copying the corresponding address on Tangem wallet, also making sure we select the right network. Like for example, with Tether, there are many other available networks like Ethereum versus Solana versus Tron, Avalanche, and more. And then repeat the same similar process on any other exchange you may have crypto on by using the send function, pasting the address into the recipient field, checking to make sure everything looks good before sending. The process is actually much easier and simpler than most people new to crypto think, and it's a lot like riding a bike. I can try to explain how to ride a bike, show you how to ride a bike, and you can read about riding a bike. However, at the end of the day, you need to get on the bike and ride it for yourself to learn. So start practicing transferring to and from different exchanges and wallets so we can finally realize just how revolutionary this technology is with firsthand experience to understand why it is the future foundation of the new global financial system. Nice. On the Tangem app, we can buy, swap, sell, and stake cryptocurrencies and interact with DeFi or decentralized applications like Jupiter, a DEX, or decentralized exchange on Solana, all on-chain safely with our cold storage Tangem wallet, all with a simple tap of a card to our phones. And now with our new Tangem Pay feature, we can now use crypto to pay for anything anywhere Visa is accepted. Check it out. Traditionally, storing digital assets on cold storage wallets was like burying gold in our backyard. Not useful for daily life. If we needed to use it to pay for something, we have to dig it up, which would be like connecting our wallet, send it to an exchange, which comes with counterparty risk, sell it for fiat, wait several days for a bank to transfer, and then finally use our debit card. It's slow, it's expensive, and worst of all, it forces us back into the banking system we are trying to escape before it's too late. Tangem just solved this nightmare with Tangem Pay. Up until now, if we had a crypto debit card, like one from Coinbase, we weren't really using our crypto. We were depositing our crypto into their custodial wallets. They were selling it and then letting us spend the cash. And if they went bankrupt, our spending money would go down with them. So Tangem Pay is different. It is the first truly self-custodial payment card that is built right into the app. We hold our crypto safely and securely in our wallet, move funds like USDC to the Tangem Pay balance, and with our virtual Visa card, we can use it anywhere and we can add it to our Apple or Google Pay accounts. So when we buy a coffee, for example, Visa processes the payment instantly, while we remain in control of the funds until the moment we spend it. We are bypassing the traditional bank account entirely. This aligns perfectly with what we discussed in this video you can check out by clicking on the link above about Visa upgrading their infrastructure to blockchains like Solana. Tangem Pay is the tool that lets us access that infrastructure directly. We are using our own self-custodied assets, utilizing the Visa network as a rail to communicate with the traditional financial world. So now, if our bank account freezes today because they don't like our investment choices, our politics, or whatever, we will still be able to pay our rent, mortgage, bills. We can still buy food, for crying out loud. It is financial guerrilla warfare out there. With Tangem Pay, we are using their rails without being subject to their gatekeepers, the banks that issue traditional cards. It allows us to execute the strategy of becoming unbankable without having to go live in the woods and barter with gold coins. It makes opting out of the corrupt system practical for everyday life. The war on crypto is really a war on our ability to control our own value. The banks want to trap us, and tools like Tangem and Uphold are giving us the keys to break free. If we are serious about protecting ourselves from Operation Choke Point 2.0, we need to move our assets out of the banking system while keeping them accessible for real life. So here's the strategy for 2026. Keep our long-term digital assets on our Tangem wallets, receive our paycheck direct deposits on Uphold, and use Tangem Pay and Uphold debit cards for daily expenses. That way we can live off of our crypto without needing the traditional financial system. By combining these tools, we build a financial life that is secure, sovereign, and immune to the whims of traditional banks. The global financial landscape is about to go under some major terraformation, and by the looks of it, with trailblazers like Tangem and Uphold pioneering the future of finance, banking, and crypto with their next-gen Web3 digital asset platforms, it will be for the betterment of us all. Super exciting times we are living through and watching unfold in real time. So if you would like to learn how we can use AI to make passive profits in crypto from the constant up and down price action with Go Baby Trade, check out this video. If you'd like to learn how the next generation of finance with Uphold is a way better and safer option for storing our money and managing crypto than banks and exchanges, check out this video. And to get your very own Tangem wallets, click on the link on the screen. Like and subscribe for more. Be safe out there.